the birthplace of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Not just the birthplace, but the many places of pastimes of Nimai Pandit, Mahaprabhu. As Mahaprabhu always used to be dancing in a house of Shivas Pandit, we are also going to visit that. And Gadadhar Bhavan, Shri Gadadhar Pandit used to live there. And Shri Advaita Charya Prabhu, Advaita. And not only that, we are also going to go visit Chand Kaji Samadhi. And Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, he established his mutt, Sri Chaitanya Mutt. And we're going to visit the Samadhi Peeth of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. Today the entire world is chanting Mahamantra and worship Gaur Hari. And they're coming to Navadvip Dham Parikrama because of this one personality, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, who followed the footsteps and the mission of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is the one who propagated the philosophy of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. He is the one who announced a prophecy that in future, white and black means east and western world, they're all going to come and visit Shri Navadvip Dham. So he already had that foresight. So we are very, very fortunate. Those who come to Navadvip Dham Parikrama, they are very fortunate. But those who can't come, you can see live, you can hear Hari Katha, but this is not the life. For the life, you have to come here to touch the Dham. Life is not life. To get life, you have to come here, visit the Dham. If you can't come for some reason, just weep and cry and beg the mercy of Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Prabhupada. Beg the mercy of Nitya Prabhu and Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Please allow us, destroy our sins and gives us some sanskar that we can come here to touch this Dham, to have samadhi of so many acharyas. Srila Gurudev also invited all devotees. Every year one should come to Navadvip Dham Parikrama. So it's a humble request of all the sannyasis, all the devotees, worldwide devotees. Please come and join Navadvip Dham Parikrama. Today, in our Parikrama, there are more than 7,000 devotees from all over the world. But this is not enough for us. We want more service. This is very little service. We want to serve more and more. So we want 21,000 devotees to come next year. Gaur Premanande, Shri Navadvip Dham Parikrama ki, Srila Gurudev ki, Shri Ganga Maharani ki, and Shri Mayapur Dham ki. Gaur Premanande. 21,000 लोग 21,000